It's that time of year when ants, rodents, and other pests are everywhere. But we have a way to help keep your home pest-free. This is the seekone Pest Repeller. The seekone Pest Repeller comes in a pack of 2. They plug right into any outlet and are designed to be a safe solution to keep the pests away. These devices have dual ultrasonic and electromagnetic technology to keep the pests away. I personally think that it would be most effective to plug these in a place near entry or exit doors, especially since bugs during the summer, that's the way they get into your house. So that's a good place. Maybe even your garage. If you have an outlet in your garage, that'd be a great place to have that, especially if you are prone to mice or other critters trying to find their way in during a storm. Like I said, these can also be used in garages, in stores, warehouses, and even restaurants. The maximum effective coverage area for each of these devices is up from 800 to 1,200 square feet. They repel from mice, rats, flies, mosquitoes, spiders, fleas, cockroaches, and ants. This would be great for a household that has a bunch of animals, especially those that like to track in stuff or maybe even bring stuff into the house, or those prone to animal or insect infestations. I know we had ants a little while ago, and plugging this in has so far helped. The LED light comes on when you plug it in, as you can see here, providing a little night light. But you can touch the button along the side right here on the bottom if you don't want the light. But I'll leave it on. The box features some technical data about the product on the side, the applicable areas that you can place them, and some small little features included. This device is great because it is good to be able to have pest control in your home, garage, or businesses without using really messy or even deadly chemicals, especially if you do have children or pets that you're worried about getting poisoned. This is a lot safer for kids and pets. So here's a better look at this. As you can see, it is a very simple design. It is only 2-prong plug, so it won't take up too much space. Here you can see along the side is the power button, and it has a nice blue kind of futuristic type of feel. A better visualization is what the night lights look here. Like I said, you could turn those on or off. So before getting this product, I did read the reviews to see what others have experienced when using this device, and almost all of the reviews were extremely positive and reported success in keeping away ants, spiders, mice, and other pets. Alright, so that is all we have on the seekone Pest Repeller. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.